Hi, everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I am Mrs. Bad, aka BAD, Burping After Dinner. So, I am coming to you with a burping sound video today. Sometimes it's hard for me to pull out my camera and do a video, so I want to make sure that you guys are getting the burping videos as often as possible. So, I am just going to do a sounds only video. You're not going to see my mouth or anything like that, but I'm going to be burping, and then I'm going to do a couple of them back to back and do some overlay sounds with gum chewing and burping simultaneously at the same time. Let me know if you like these videos like this, if you rather see a video like this opposed to not seeing one at all, because that will be the objective. This is not replacing the regular videos, but this is when I'm in a crunch and I don't have time to get around to recording a video and uploading a video and all that good stuff. This is a quicker, easier process. So if you want to hear the burping sounds and they help you relax and soothe and calm your nerves and all that good stuff, then this is just another format to enjoy. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Press the subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment bar below. Make sure you turn on the notification bell and come back for another video. And definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're watching these videos, because the sooner I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will start going live periodically, but I'm not going to do that until I get to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like burping sounds. Okie dokie, Smokey, let's get started. And you guys, if you don't know what burping on command is, that means that I can burp. I can make myself burp without eating or drinking soda. It's just something that I do normally. And I think, yeah, I'm probably the person on YouTube that can do more consecutive burps back to back. So I haven't had anything to eat today. Haven't had anything to drink today, so these are just normal burps that I need to get out of my body, y'all. And lately when I've been burping, I've been getting hiccups as well. But my burps overshadow my hiccups, so you don't even know I have the hiccups. You just see me making like this little motion. But yeah, I've been getting the hiccups lately when I burp, and they also put me to sleep. Oh my goodness. So I do find it relaxing. See there? Every time I start burping, I start yawning. Okay, you guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.